Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for joining. It's Darnell, and I'm here with my updated wash day routine. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this is my hair, dry as a bone. My scalp is feeling pretty itchy, and it's definitely ready to be washed. So I start off by wetting my hair really, really well, letting the water really seep in because for some reason it takes a while for my hair to actually fully get wet. It's like it'll only be wet on the very outside layer. So I have to run it under the water for a few minutes for it to really saturate all of my strands. I don't know about you guys, but washing my hair just feels absolutely amazing. I look forward to wash days because it just feels so great to have my scalp saturated by this running water. So now once my hair is fully wet, I then use my shampoo. And currently the shampoo that I use is the Head and Shoulders 2-in-1 with eucalyptus oil. That's the particular one that I'm using. And I really like it. So just a sidebar, when it says 2-in-1 or 2+1, basically it's saying it's a shampoo and conditioner together. So just note that, you guys. And I've been using this once my locks were fully mature. So I then take some of the shampoo and I literally target my scalp first. That's my problem area. That's where my seborrheic dermatitis is. And I do this so that the shampoo can actually calm that condition down because I have these flare ups if I go a little too long without washing my hair, which is about more than a week. So I just proceed to massage it in. And once I'm finished doing that, I make sure I get the shampoo all throughout my locks, in my scalp, definitely my hairline, and the nape of my neck. I just try to make sure I cover my whole entire scalp with the shampoo. And once I do that, I then will just wrap my hair up into a bun and let the shampoo sit on my scalp. So this is not in the instructions on the shampoo bottle, but this is what I do because it actually works for me. So I used to have to do this when I use my ketoconazole shampoo, and I figured why not apply the same technique while using this one, and it works. So again, I just use the tips of my fingers, not my nails, and I massage the shampoo in. And this just feels really good. It feels like I'm getting a scalp massage and a wash all at the same time. So once I am done with my massage, I then wrap my hair into a bun and proceed to take my shower. If you are washing your hair outside of the shower, then you can literally just let it sit for maybe 3 to 5 minutes. And for me, the cue for me to then rinse it out is when I start to feel that peppermint cool sensation on my scalp. That's when I know, okay, it's ready for me to rinse out. So as you guys can see, I'm struggling with this bun, y'all. But once it came together, it really came together. And I'm like, really? Buns always come out great when I'm not really trying for it to come out great. But if I was really trying to have a bun day, best believe I would be here struggling for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, it's shower time. So now that I'm all done with my shower, it's time to wash the ends of my locks and to rinse the shampoo off of my scalp. So I just give my scalp a little rub down and then add some more shampoo. This time I dilute it a little bit while it's in my hands and then rub it onto my locks. And the reason for this is because I'm trying to prevent product buildup, and I'm also trying to make it easier for the shampoo to rinse out. So in the past, I remember wearing my hair up into like a bun, and I noticed that some of my locks in the very back looked like they had some white residue, and I couldn't understand what that was about. And I then realized, oh, maybe I'm not rinsing my shampoo out long enough or thoroughly enough from my hair, and that's exactly what it was. So that is why I like to dilute the shampoo before I put it onto my locks. And once I rub it all the way down, I'll just rub my locks in between my hands to try to loosen any dirt or debris that may be there. So one more quick scalp massage, and then it's time to rinse the shampoo out. So I like to rinse the shampoo out with the water temperature being relatively warm, not too warm, but a little hotter than lukewarm. Once I feel like all of the shampoo is rinsed out of my hair, then I change the water temperature to cool, or as cool as I could stand it. And the reason for that is I try to close my hair cuticle. So when I'm rinsing my hair or washing my hair in the warm water, the warmth of the water opens up the hair cuticle. But then once I'm done, I don't want the cuticle to stay open. I then will rinse my hair out in cool to cold water. And this should and is supposed to help with locking in the shine and the moisture. And honestly, for me, I do it for those reasons, but I also do it because it just feels really, really nice, especially when my scalp feels like that pepperminty cool sensation. So I just really try to shake out and rinse out all of the shampoo, and it will take me a few minutes because if I don't take this amount of time, then there will be some shampoo left, and that's not cool. So I find that squeezing my locks while under the running water really helps to release the shampoo that may still be in there. And I just do this all the way down to the ends on both sides and get any little hiding spots where there may still be some shampoo. So something that I really like to do is to flip my head over and to rinse out my locks from back to front. This ensures that I get all of the remnants of shampoo that may still be lurking in those locks in the very back of my head. And then I proceed to just squeeze my locks out to squeeze out any water and shampoo that may still be in there. So once I feel like I removed all of the shampoo from my locks, I then proceed to wring them out. So I do this to remove as much water as I possibly can before the towel drying process. So I'll just wring my locks out. Usually I split my hair into 2 or 4 sections, and I'll literally just wring them out all the way down to the end before putting on my wrap towel. So for those of you that want to know where I got this towel from, when I was a subscriber of Grove, I actually got it from there. I don't know if they still sell it or not, but it's a really thick towel. It feels great, and I use it every time I have wash day. I just pull up my locks a little bit so that all of them can actually fit in the towel, because the towel technically isn't big enough or isn't long enough for the length of my locks. And then twist the towel and then wrap it on my head. And that is it, you guys. That is my wash day. So once I have the towel wrapped on my head for about 20 to 30 minutes, I'll then take the towel off, and then I use a separate dry towel to just blot dry the ends of my locks, because that's where most of the water stays. And then I'll seal in that moisture with a oil, usually a sweet almond oil. So yeah, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you guys find it helpful, and I hope you guys hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.